Hi, grade 3. Thanks for joining me for your spelling test for today. I'm going to go through the words one at a time. I'm going to be careful not to forget one this time. I will say the word, I will say a sentence, I will say the word again, and then I will pause. I try to pause for about 10 seconds. Now, if this is too fast for you, remember, it's a video. You can pause it. So listen to the word, press pause, write the word, press play, listen to the next word, listen, pause, write, play. Listen, pause, write, play. Okay? I think that makes sense. Okay, number 1, tough. Tough. It was tough to get through the mud puddle. Tough. Number 2, rough. Rough. The sandpaper felt rough on her hand. Rough. Number 3, along. Along. She brought along her sister for fun. Along. Number 4, bought. Bought. They bought a case of donuts. Bought. Number 5, brought. Brought. She brought her homework into school to show her teacher. Brought. Number 6, song. Song. Cover your ears or you might hear your teacher sing a silly song. Song. Number 7, longer. Longer. I don't want my videos to be any longer than they already are because I don't want my students to get bored. Longer. Number 8, strongest. Strongest. I am the strongest person in the world. Strongest. Number 8, drawing. Drawing. She made a beautiful drawing of hearts and flowers. Drawing. Number 10, straw. Straw. You shouldn't get a straw at a restaurant because it's a waste of plastic. Straw in your drink. Straw in your drink. Okay, number 11, small. Small. My children are still pretty small. Small. Number 12, mall. Mall. They went shopping at the mall. Mall. Number 13, falling. Falling. There was a risk of falling from the ledge. Falling. Number 14, awful. Awful. It would be awful if I missed a spelling word again this week. And number 15, called. Called. I called out the window to get their attention. Called. Okay, I'm going to do our sentence now, and in this sentence I'm using the word straw, not as in a drinking straw, but I'm going to use it in the context of like straw that you would put down for like some animal bedding. Okay, so keep that in mind when I read the sentence. That's what I'm talking about. And you're going to hear me read it 3 times. The first time at a normal speed, the second time at a slower speed, and the third time at a sloth speed. Okay? If that's not enough for you and you need to hear it again, think about your problem-solving skills. What could you do? Right. You could pause the video, rewind the video, and listen to me say it 3 times again. In the description of the video, there will be the sentence written so that you can check your work. Okay, and once you're done doing that, if you could send me a picture of your test in Teams, that would be extremely helpful because I'd love to see how you're doing. So if you're set up on Teams, if you're not, don't worry about it. But if you are set up on Teams, make sure you send me a picture of your spelling test wherever you wrote it when you're done. Okay? So our sentence today. Her small drawing was a rough sketch of a pile of straw. Her small drawing was a rough sketch of a pile of straw. Her small drawing was a rough sketch of a pile of straw. Okay, that's your test. I hope it went well. If you get a chance to send me a picture of your completed test, please do. I would like you to check your words though, because then you will know right away where you went wrong and where you need to practice. But I'd like to see how you're doing with your home spelling, and it's also a good way just to check in with me. So if you get a chance, please send me your test. If you're not set up for that yet, don't worry. We'll get there. Okay, have a great day.